You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is y equals 5/2. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 5/4 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the y. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2/1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is y equals 5/2.